Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you if you want to add, delete or edit a profile in your JioHotstar. In this video, I will show you how to manage profile step by step on mobile if you are using Hotstar on mobile phone, smart TV or in your PC desktop. So first let's see how to create a new user profile on JioHotstar. So open the JioHotstar on your device and go to My Spaces, and here you can get the profiles of the JioHotstar. If you want to add any new profile, so just click on edit button and tap on add button and create a new profile, okay, like this, and then tap on right arrow mark. Now your profile was created successfully, as you can see guys. Tech, if you want to delete or if you want to rename that any particular profile, so once again tap on edit button like this, select your profile which you want to edit or delete like this, okay, and if you want to change the name, just delete that name and add the new name. And same thing, if you want to delete this profile, in the top right side corner here you can get one small delete option. If you want to delete this, just tap on delete and then tap on delete profile. That's it. Now your profile was deleted, as you can see guys. So this same process you can try in any device like Android, iPhone or smart TV or any desktop laptop. If this help you to manage your profile in Hotstar, like the video and subscribe to Smart Tech Junction for more simple tech guides. See you in the next one.